friends, it's Miss Kristine, and today we are here again to learn another letter, and that letter is S. Now, to remember the S sound, there's a simple song that we can sing that will help us remember, and it goes like this. The S says S. The S says S. Every letter makes a sound. The S says S. Now you try. Put your teeth together and like a snake, make the hissing sound. Great job. Now on the count of 3, you're gonna sing that song with me. 1, 2, 3. The S says S. The S says S. Every letter makes a sound. The S says S. Okay, I'm gonna open up my container and ooh, inside I have different things that start with the letter S and make the S sound. And you're gonna help me. I'm going to give you clues and you're gonna guess what it is. Are you ready? The first one goes in the water and people go on it. It's a sailboat. Sailboat. Oh, the next one is something that you eat and you take bread and you can put some peanut butter and jelly in it and make a sandwich. Whoops, sandwich. Oh, this is something that's really bright. It's in the sky and sometimes it makes us really hot. It's called the sun. Sun. And sometimes when we look at the sun, oh, it hurts our eyes and we need to put on sunglasses. Let's see if these fit Miss Kristine's face. Oh, no, too small for me. Sunglasses. Maybe they fit the sun's face. Let's try it. Little too big. Ooh. The next is something that lives in the water. It's shaped like an S, and this one is green. It's a seahorse. Seahorse. Great. Now I'm going to pick up all of the things I just took out and you're going to tell me what it is. Are you ready? Do you remember what this is? A seahorse. That's right, sailboat. Sandwich. Sun. And the last one, sunglasses. Great job. Now I want you to go around your house with your family and find things that start with the letter S and make the S sound. Until next time, bye friends.